Wow.
What?
I always thought you were well-read. Get it?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Palisades and the Palestine County Office of Emergency Services. Evacuation immediate has been issued. A wildfire has been issued for your area. Evacuate now.
Hey, that sounds great. Well, if it weren't for all the blah blah blahs.
5 minutes later.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Palisades and the Palisades County Office of Emergency Services. A fire warning has been issued for your area. The fire started at 6:10 p.m. and it will start at 6:20 p.m. to 8 p.m. Prepare to evacuate. I repeat, prepare to evacuate.